Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode. So in this video, I will be installing a short RAM intake on this beautiful Alfa Romeo 4C. I think as you guys know, it's my boy's Latif. Latif, you guys mind coming in and say hi to people? Here we go. He just got his intake, so we will be installing his intake on this 4C. Should be a quick, fun install, or hopefully it should be a quick and fun install. Again, I've never done an intake on a 4C, but it should be straightforward. I mean, the only thing is that the intake's in the back, whereas for my car, you know, we have the whole engine up front. So other than that, yeah, I think it should be easy.
Yeah, it should be easy.
Right.
This is the second mod, I think.
Your second
mod,
right?
I mean, if the wheel spacer considered.
Yeah, so if you consider wheel spacer, then it's like the third.
But so, we're getting there.
Yeah, we're getting there slowly. I think you're getting your car wrapped or something, right? Next week or so?
No, just paint protection film.
Gotcha. So I think he's taking to Chicago Auto Pro or something, right?
Yep.
So he's gonna get a PP, what is it called? PPF?
PPF
film. So yeah, should be fun. Well, so we'll go ahead and get started. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.